Hello and welcome back to 100% Info. In this video I will show you how to adjust video quality on GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin! Now, it's important to note that I am currently in the video mode, but this should also apply to other modes as well. Inside video mode, you want to simply head into the video settings, just like that. Go into the pencil icon, and here at the top you can change the resolution. So we can switch from 1080 to 1440, and you can also adjust the frames per second. Now we can click it in order to leave, and also, sorry for moving that. Also, if we scroll down, you can also change the lens. So these are the wide 16mm digital lens, but we can go to Superview, the linear, and narrow. By default, it's the wide lenses. But of course, if you change it, this also affects the overall quality. And you can also play around with other settings, but these two are the most important in terms of set quality. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.